थर्ड राउंड जो था उसमें एक डिजाइन पूछा था उसने, फिर एक कोडिंग क्वेश्चन। तो पहले
कोडिंग
डिजाइन डिस्कस
पहले
कर लेते।
पहले कोडिंग कर लेते हैं।
अच्छा, कोडिंग उसका था वो बीएसटी दी हुई है और उसमें उसका जो नोड का स्ट्रक्चर है उसमें राइट लेफ्ट पॉइंटर के अलावा रैंडम पॉइंटर भी है।
ओके
So you have to attach the random pointer. Initially the random pointer is not pointing anywhere. Okay, only the left and right pointer is pointing. So you have to attach the random pointer of every node in such a way, if I traverse the given BST in order fashion by using the random pointer, so I should have a sorted list.
It update the value of the random. What's that?
Update the value of the random in such a way. So that if you traverse the entire list, the entire tree in order fashion by using the random pointer, tree traverse.
Using random will give sorted array.
Yes, you don't need to return the array. You just have to point the random pointer.
Okay.
And I'll traverse it using the in order traversal by using only random pointer, and I should have a sorted list in the end. You just have to attach only. You don't need to return array.
Makes sense?
Yeah. So you got the question, right?
Yeah. So for example, the binary is such that 100, 50, 150, 25, 70, 120, 180, 25 random will points toward 50.
Yeah.
Its random will points toward 70. Its random will points toward 100. So okay, that's how we need to do now.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll give a tree. Given a node actually. What I need to do is node dot random is equal to in order node node dot left. Node Okay, so what I'm trying to achieve is,
Mm-hmm.
so I will do an in order traversal of the tree.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when I will be doing in order left, then uh, random right. Okay. So I will do in order traversal in such a fashion that I'm also returning a value, which is the smallest value corresponding to that subtree. Okay. So this will return the smallest value corresponding to the left subtree, and
Mm-hmm.
if that is none, then this will be the smallest value corresponding to that. I'm returning this as the smallest value corresponding to this node, because uh, the right part of that subtree will always have a values greater than the node current node data. Agree? So this will always return values which will be greater than the left part. So
Yes.
I'm comparing the left value with the current value if it's none. Otherwise, the left will always give the smallest value. I'm returning this left value. Now, uh, I'm at my node, okay, current node. So node dot random will points towards the leftmost value, like smallest value in the right subtree.
Mm-hmm.
Not exactly the right subtree. If it's this value is none,
Are you
then
sure it would for every time it would point the smallest value? It's
yes,
returning. It's just returning every time the node value. What if
not
you
not
are?
not every time.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. So so let me clarify. So that's what I'm thinking. Like that's how I should proceed. So for example, if I'm at position 50, okay,
Mm-hmm.
50's random will points towards the smallest value in this subtree or the top level also. So whatever is the smallest value, 50 should points to, like, what is the smallest, what is the just larger value than this? 50 should points towards that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so that's what my idea is. So normally when we do in order traversal, we do it like this, node data, and we do in order over here like this, and then we proceed in order in the node dot right. Okay, that's how we do in order traversal. Now, now node dot random
Mm-hmm.
should points towards the value which will come after, uh, like which will be there in the right subtree,
Mm-hmm.
or it might not be in the right subtree. It might be there in the, like, just the parent.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how I will get the next value. So if I'm considering this node at 50, so node dot right will be the subtree 70th subtree.
Mm-hmm.
The smallest value which is in this subtree is 70. So 50 should points toward this. Suppose I don't have, there's no value over here, like there's no right subtree.
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, the value just which is smaller than 50 is like 100. So 50 should points towards the 100.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I can create a, like, left kind of, say, previous kind of global value, previous.
Mm-hmm.
So when I'm printing this value, okay, node dot data, what I can do is previous dot random is equal to node dot data.
Okay.
And previous now will become node. Okay. Initially previous will be leftmost child. So initially it will be none. Uh, I need to initialize it to some the leftmost child. So how will I do that? So yeah, if previous is none, then previous is equal to node, else uh, this is better. If previous is not run, So a node.data will always give me the inner traversal. Now previous is null initially. Initially I will come to this node 25. So previous
Yeah.
will get assigned to this 25 value.
Yeah.
Now I will come to the value 50 and it's not
Okay.
none. So previous dot random should points to node.data. Like it should point to nodes. Okay. Yes. So this will point toward the 50 and 50 will become my previous now. So yeah. And 180 should when I'm at 150, 150 will point toward 80. Now my previous will become 180 and I will exit. So now previous dot next is equal to random is equal to none. Yeah. Make sense?
Let me check. Yeah. Cool. Cool. This would work. Fine. Okay.
Do you have any more coding questions?
Yes, I do have, but it was in fourth round.
Maybe we can start with the coding questions first.
Okay.
Let's.
Okay. Okay. Uh, can we start?
Just a second. Random pointer. Yes, we can start.
Okay.